So just to give you some background on the Preston heads, they're in the field due to, they were supposed to be in a park in Williamsburg called the President's Park, but then either the guy lost funding or he died before that park would be a reality. And so a guy up in Croaker was like, I have all this land on my farm. If you're just going to scrap them, then I will gladly take them. And so he took them, and now they're on this farm in Croaker. And there are a lot of them, from what I've heard. There are 39 that are super clumped together, is what they just said, and then the rest of them are kind of all over the place. So I'm looking forward to this. Just for reference, guys, this is Lincoln. Lincoln, as you know, was shot in the head. He has a hole in the back of his head. His president head has a hole in it. If that's not authentic enough. But anyways, look at these guys. Buddy, if you go inside them, you're too muddy. I was like, I'm an herbacter, so you know I'm gonna go through them. This is really cool. Okay, so if we can just look at the detail of these, like look at the tie is all like nicely tied. It's all nicely ornate and everything. And look at these ties though; they're like all different patterns, and this is definitely worth the wait of. Because like I said, I had this trip planned for last year, but then due to COVID, I couldn't get here. So I just want to show you guys the patterns on this one, the patterns on the next one over, get some more photos, and then we will have videos to edit. Yeah, just look at the detail on these guys. Yeah, like look at this tie. This tie is all super nice.